Hi, my name is Denise Trinidad. I'm a student at Gateway Technical College, the Culinary Arts program in Racine. Today I'm going to show you how to make peach cobbler. First, you would like to have melted butter, half a cup of melted butter. You want to have a 1 can 15 ounce or and a half ounce of peaches. You want to have a cup and a fourth of sugar. You want to have 1 cup of all-purpose flour and 1 cup of milk, a teaspoon of baking powder, and a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. And also you would like to have some some juices on the side for after the fact. And then also I include a little cinnamon and a little nutmeg for the taste, a better taste of the cobbler. First you will start off by pouring, you want to cook your peaches first. Put your peaches in the saucepan, which you can see I already have done that. So they are ready to go and they hot and ready. You want to put your butter in the pan first. You want to have at least of a 2-quart pan for your peaches. You pour your butter in first. Okay, now you want to combine your sugar. You want to combine your flour. You want to combine your milk. Your baking powder and your salt. And you want to mix that together real well because this is going to go to the on the bottom of your pan. Make sure it's mixed real well. This is going to be your crust for your peach cobbler. Now we're going to pour this dough for our cobbler on top of our butter we already have ready and set to go. Okay, then you want to put your hot peaches mix on top of your dough. Make sure you even it out. And then not the last step, but now we're gonna put it in the oven at 400 degrees until it's like the way you test your cake, that's the way you test your peach cobbler. This is the finishing touch of the peach cobbler. Afterwards, you want to sprinkle a little bit of sugar on it to make sure everything is sweet and tasty and good to go. For more information on our culinary art program, please go to gtc.edu/culinary arts and enjoy delicious meal, huh?